This is a weird one. I don't know if you heard about this, Will. There's this phone case that's been emerging on social media. And it's a clear phone case, which on the back of it has the message, social media seriously harms your mental health. Mm. And it looks like sort of like a tobacco warning that you would see. It's meant to look that way, like a public health notice type of thing. And it's blowing up with social media influencers, where they snap a photo of themselves looking absolutely perfect, obviously, in most cases. Although you can't even see that person. But I mean, you can tell she's thin and perfect and everything else. Same with these girls on the next post. So they're posting their perfect, cute looks in the mirror with the sticker that says social media harms your mental health. It's very difficult for me to figure out what to make of this, Will.
What statement are they trying to make?
They're saying that social media is dangerous and unreal and too perfect, and then they're being too perfect.
Right.
I don't know. I don't know. They're like, maybe it's like a disclaimer, Will. Maybe that's what it is. It's like when you drink a bottle of liquor or something, it's like, hey, you might get drunk.
Like a disclaimer on a cigarette pack or something.
Yeah. But maybe they're like, look at what she has. She has another sticker on hers that says likes, loneliness reliever, depression reduce. Wow, she took it to another level. Delilah Bell took it to another level with 1 billion followers. Loneliness and depression reducer, likes. Oh, I mean, that's heavy.
So are they trolling, you think?
No, I don't think they're trolling, man.
So why are they taking
I feel like
perfect photos of themselves?
Well, they can't not take perfect photos of themselves. The business of that platform, Instagram specifically, the product of that platform is perfection and beauty and presentation and superficiality. Like it's images. It's a social media network of images, pictures. What is Instagram selling as a whole? I mean, it's really selling like better lives than yours. I don't know. Maybe they wouldn't say that. They wouldn't say that.
No.
But those that are the most successful there are typically having better lives than yours, for the most part. And that's what they tend to share. You know, at first, when I first saw this, I was a bit like, how dare they, hypocrites? But now the more I'm thinking about it, I'm like, maybe it's better than nothing. Maybe it's exactly like cigarettes. All right, you smoke if you want to, but like out of responsibility, I'm just going to tell you this might be bad for you. Like, is it so bad if they realize what they're doing is bad? Oh man, I don't know. I'm conflicted. I don't know. It's better than nothing. They're saying to themselves, look, I know I'm perfect. I know I look better than you. I know my life's better than yours, but just realize, like, please don't realize what you're looking at might be bad for you. But then I don't know if they're saying what they look at is bad for them. I mean, they're taking the photo. They're looking at the social media too. So then you know what it would be like? It would be like the cigarette pack warning. But then the guy selling you the cigarettes is also smoking. Like in the store.
Yeah.
As he's selling you the cigarettes with the warning, it's not as good as the warning. Because then the other thing that happened with cigarettes recently is they covered them from public view in the stores. Remember when they did that around here? Is that the advertising went down in the store. So you have to like ask, and then they flip open the lid. So it's a step in that direction, but it's not as good because in a weird way, they're actively involved in the process of the thing that they're warning you about while they're doing it. So that's kind of weird. That's kind of like a dude going off a dirt bike jump and being like, kids, don't try this at home. Like he's kind of saying this is the coolest thing ever, but don't do it. And that's a tough space to be in because it's always this thing. do as I say, don't do as I do type of thing, where I think kids, teens, etc., they're intelligent enough to know that what you do is the thing they should mimic, not what you say. That like actions speak louder than words. And these are just words on here.
It's literally just a badge on your case. But I agree with you that it is something. It's better than nothing. Though I feel like this may be a future trend where people don't even read the sign. It's just like, oh, that's
I'm going to go
cool.
dark on you.
Yeah.
Maybe this is just marketing.
I feel like it is. I feel like this is going to be a trend.
Hang on. Let me tell you why this is marketing.
Like in a bad way.
This is marketing for them and their brands, that they are more authentic than the next influencer. That they're more real than the next influencer. And therefore, they should be listened to more because they're so real. This is the equivalent of like, I woke up like this.
Yeah. It's like, yo, I get it. I get it. This is genuine.
Yeah.
I'm ahead of the
It's like
curve.
a savior. It's like a savior mindset.
Yeah.
You know, I'm the real one because I don't mind telling you how it is.
Yeah.
So marketing plan, Will, it's some next level though, isn't it? It's some next level. Imagine a sticker on the back that was like, don't like this post. Or it was like, don't look at this post.
Yeah.
And then everybody's looking at it. Ooh, it's a weird zone, isn't it? It's a weird tingle you got from
And
all that.
people want to buy the stickers.
Yeah, now people got the stickers themselves.
Yeah.
And everybody's standing around saying, ain't this terrible for us? While they're sliding through, swiping,
I want to buy one.
scrolling.
Right now.
Yeah. I'll put one right on my forehead right here. Chat on this show. Damn. That's inside baseball right there. That's social media inside baseball. Heavy duty, dark side stuff. Jedi tricks. Keep an eye on it. Ladies and gentlemen, headlights squarely in front.